everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making a reversible ruffle satin bonnet. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, kindly make sure you watch the video to the very end and subscribe to my channel too. So to start out, I'm just placing out the two fabrics together because this will make my work easier. Instead of cutting one at a go, I'll cut the two pieces together. Then I'll use my template, which I already have, to just cut out the shapes that I do want. And for a bonnet, it's normally circular in shape, and you can use any measurements that you like, depending on your head size, depending on your customer's head size, or whichever preference you want. You are not limited to any size. Now that I have all my fabrics cut out, I'm going to head to my sewing machine and begin the process. So you want to put the good sides of the fabric facing each other and the bad side facing towards the outer part, as you see me doing right here. So you are going to stitch on the wrong sides of the fabric. Due to the soft nature of the satin fabric, I don't want it moving around. I'm going to pin it, but this is optional. You can pin it, you can do whatever you want. So after pinning it, I just like the grip. After pinning it, I'm going to head over to my machine and begin sewing it. I'll use 1 inch sewing allowance to just sew all around the circle, and towards the end I'm going to leave a 2-inch gap so that I can use it to turn around the fabric inside out. So this right here is the gap that I'm going to be using to turn my fabric inside out. So I just do this gently, and it's not a large gap, it's just a sizable amount that I'm going to just use to even the process, and it comes out really easily because the satin in itself is a soft fabric. So after this, I'm going to iron all around the fabric so that it can be neat. You can work on a neat surface, but some people, I know, they don't prefer ironing. It's optional. So yeah, after ironing, I'm going to go ahead and mark out 2 inches away from the edges. I'm going to put those 2 lines, as you see right there. That's where I'm going to insert my elastic. So after marking them out, I'm going to stitch all around them and just leave a little bit of space on the outer stitch marks. this is my product all stitched. You can see those two lines stitched over there. That's where I'm going to insert my elastic. So I'm going to use a safety pin to help me make the work easier. This is my pin and my elastic and an eyelet. That's the eyelet that I'm going to be using. It's like a stopper to make it more adjustable. So yeah, I'm going to insert the elastic in that space that I saw over there. As you will see me doing really, I don't know how to explain it, but I hope it's self-explanatory. Just watch as I am doing this and kindly do watch to the very end, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. So this right here is what I have after inserting the elastic, and I've also put the eyelet on the elastic so it doesn't move, and you can easily adjust it however much you want. And those are the ruffles right there, guys. Isn't this cute? I just love these bonnets. I know a lot of people, I've also had some customers tell me they are skeptical on bonnets falling off with the elastic, but with design you have the option of tying it, adjusting it to however much you want. So the last step is to close up the space that I used to insert the pin. So I'm going to close up that space that you see right there. I'm going to make it a little bit pretty if I may say so. So stay tuned. After that, this is what I have, my reversible Ruffle Satin bonnet. Guys, isn't this cute? Let me know what you think about this bonnet. You get a 2-in-1 bonnet. As you can see, you can wear it on any side. This one is in the color baby pink and rose purple. Guys, I think it's super cute. Yeah, I do have this product in my shop, my WhatsApp shop or Instagram shop. My number, I'll also leave my number in the description box. and a link to my Instagram business page will also be in the description box. You can holler at me, send me a DM, and I will be able to deliver across the country. In the meantime, I do deliver across the country, but I'll be open to deliver internationally in the nearest future. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video. uh, Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Kindly do make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video, and if you enjoyed watching, why don't you give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.